Okay. I'm live. Um, we'll see how this does right here. I took a long value low here off compression. We have a divergence on the cumulative volume delta. I'm just going to target up here, right around this last sell bubble. Got respected. So I'm going to move this to break even now. Once we break above this, I'm checking go below here. But since we got respected sell bubbles and we broke above it, and we're technically on the POC, what I'll do is I'll just take this off real quick just so you get an idea. I am back. Why is my name like that? That's weird. Oh, okay. I'm only at $40. I had a small little scalp this morning. I didn't have much time to trade. I had to do some errands, so we got to break back above it. If this collapses again, then I'll exit here. If we close back above here, I'll take long. But as of right now, we bounced off the POC. Or if we get another buy over here and we get respected, then I'll possibly take long. Oop. But this value low is going to be crucial right here because this is kind of a compression zone. So, and they kind of got absorbed down here. So sellers did. They really tried to push and they got absorbed. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna put a buy limit order here. Because if we break above that, it's probably going to rip. Because we bounce off the value area low again. We have to close above that. Excuse me. That would be the... Okay. I'm starving too. I haven't eaten. Literally went straight to the screen. And then, yeah, that was... I probably should make some food on the side while I'm doing this, but... Okay. Alright, so if we close above this, then... Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Just go below here. Oh, that's kind of big. What I'll do is I'll just go like this below here, below this grouping. Take profit. Yep, that's how we do it. We'll just go for 13. We're a little top. And look at this. We're getting strong cumulative delta buying off the top. So basically, what I'm seeing here now is we got strength. We bounced off value area low, off compression zone. So we bounced here. We broke above it, retest, and we go up. And then I wanted to take a long when we broke area. So what I can do is I can actually place my stop at 0, protect myself early, and then kind of let this ride. And then hopefully this most likely will come up and hit this area here. We are in a buying day, so it did sell off during the middle of the day, but we still have not broken 127, I don't think. Yeah, 127, we're still have some ways. So, yeah, hopefully this comes and hits target. If it's going to sell off again, it's probably going to take out this liquidity up here, where there's a bunch of sellers up here. They might take that and then resell it again, but this is the range we're staying in right now. From value high to value low. This is like your point of control right here. For this zone. This is a compression zone. So we bounce, 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 boom. And then we broke, retest. Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, yeah.
I'm long here.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I've been in and out, so I just got up to call. Good point to get in.
Yeah, I got in. I had a better entry, but I got in. My original entry was 173, then it came and broke me even, and then I re-entered at 195.
55.
195.
Oh, 195. Okay.
Yeah, it was where
Oh wow.
the most probable entry was going to be. Where once we broke, it was going to take off.
Yeah.
I'm getting a huge amount of buy bubbles.
Bubbles.
Oh yeah, buy bubbles. Yeah, and they're following through. The auction is definitely on the
Yeah.
buy side.
Oh yeah. I just can't believe they pulled this back all the way.
Yeah, no, that was. They've been doing that though. They did that yesterday, didn't they?
Oh yeah, they did that. Yeah, it's been.
Yeah. I'm already guaranteeing myself 300, no matter what. Guarantee myself maybe if this closes above this, I'll guarantee myself 500. 450 guaranteed. No matter what, even if it comes back down. My target's the high right here, 261. I'm gonna exit there, $1,300. Wow. Yeah, I'll show you this. It was a nice setup here. You can see all the bubbles here, but look at the big sell bubbles. They got once it closed above that big sell bubble at the bottom, and that compression zone I marked out that the very low, we came down and retested. Once we retested and I seen the bounce, I put my buy stop order right above that big buy bubbles you seen that we originally got.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I came right to this point, so 250, 250, 50 is going to be where the squeeze is going to happen. Where they're going to squeeze above, if they're going to squeeze. But I am getting cumulative volume delta is dropping heavily here, so I'll lock in 500 no matter what.
Yeah, my NQ.
Yeah.
It's been running on SAM, of course, the system. It's up 1140.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
Jeez. I got a sub here. Give us some more room. 450 guaranteed no matter what. And if it breaks above the sub level, these two, I'm getting two sub levels here with reaction. That's not good. They're winning the auction here, the sellers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Back,
sellers came in.
It has closed back above 234.75. That's where the top of the sell level. And if it closed back above that, then I'll probably be able to hit full target here, which I think it's definitely going to hit. But if you look at the CVD is dropping heavily. Wow, Bible here.
Oh yeah. No, you're right.
Okay, now we got to close above. We got to close above 238.75. Oh wow, geez, sellers jumping in here.
Yeah, sellers are very active here.
I'm gonna lock in 550. Nope. Just right below this sub, so if it breaks below this, then I'm out. I'm just gonna exit the trade. But if it closes back above this 238 area, then there's a big Bible here. If that closes, buyers will take back control, and then we'll see the squeeze to the high. You'll probably see aggressive buying as soon as it becomes 250 again. But right now, sellers they're pounding. Buyers not letting up either though. I'm out. $500. So. I might take one more long order because we're bouncing off the value area high. If we bounce off it and we close back above 38, I'm gonna take it long at 38. And then I'll have a small stop here. Because what we did was we wicked down into that value area high, right at 217.75 between this compression zone. And if we close back above 238, then we're going to see a stronger action. to the high again, if not even higher. Of this previous high. Okay, I'm in. Stop loss going to go right below that aggressive selling, so I'm only risking 350 to make. Let's do 700 at least, 2 to 1. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Not looking good.
Yeah, it's just
And I lost. Okay, back down to $200.
I break even now or more, better.
No, I'm 200 up 200.
Okay.
I lost that trade. Yeah, that one I took the L.
God damn it! I missed.
What happened?
Oh no! My MNQ gave a signal right around 190, and I didn't see it. I think because I was outside.
190.
Yeah, let me see. 198 gave me the signal.
198 long.
Long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So more or less around the area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the buying that was stepping in.
Yeah.
We're at the value area high. If this value area high holds here on this compression zone, then we will break above the high.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, that.
It's not looking like it's quite battling, but we'll see if it still has time.
Oh yeah.
But the sellers, you can see the CVD, it's just constantly red.
Mm-hmm.
They're really hitting it up here. Yep, and they finally broke through.
Oh wow.
Yep. Oh, I should take a sell there.
No mercy today, huh?
No, sellers there. I'm not fucking around today. Yeah, it's just gonna sell off. I think it's gonna break the.
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah, for sure. Got a buy level here. Sell level here. We are off the POC, so it could bounce here too. Good possibility for this previous. Okay, let's see what happens. I had aggressive sells and aggressive buys, but buyers won the auction here. At this level, at least, where this POC was. But it's not meaning I can continue to win it, but you can see sellers have been really hitting it, but they haven't been on the CBD, and they haven't really been making a lot of progress. think there's gonna be a point here where the sellers give up here, and then this is just gonna shoot up. Because I can see it on the CBD. The CBD is still dropping, but sellers not following through with the price, which tells me that buyers are either sitting here absorbing heavy, or sellers are building a position. But it just looks like buyers are building a position here, just the way the price is not moving down. Usually with sellers, you get the aggressive sell move down with not much room stopping it. But still could just like tank once it hits a wall. Once buyers just get exhausted, possibly. If it breaks 197.25, you'll start to see the sellers jump in heavily. So it's continuing. They're here at the PLC, so they could hold this. I have a really strong feeling that this is the way this price is moving, and the way we bounced off these value areas in this PLC, that we're going to see a push to the upside. I don't know how far, but I think there's going to be a. CBD keeps dropping. You see that, the CBD?
Oh wow, yeah, you're right. New lows.
It's been just making more divergence.
Yeah, yeah. So I think this may go lower.
I think it's going to go upwards.
Up. I think it's going to get to a point where the delta is going to go the other way.
Yeah. I think it's going to be somewhere right around here, because this is the POC of this compression zone. So if they're going to find ground, they're going to find ground right around here, since they're protecting the value area low here now. Yeah, this will be right here where the POC is most likely. If they do find ground here, it does start to revert. That last candle turned green on the delta. That was the right candle for me, so this could be possibly the stopping point. Seller absorbed here, right at the very bottom. I think this is going to be where it's going to take off now. We just got to close above 211.50, and the next area is going to have to close above 37. 237, Because once we close above 237, then you're going to see the nice follow through. I'm long here. I just hit buy market.
You just went long?
Yeah, 199.75. I think this is gonna kind of go POC. I think this is gonna break this previous high. I'll get out somewhere right around 260. Delta changed here at the bottom here, kind of where I went long. Yeah, buyers are in control here now. And the thing is, we bounced off the POC, so we're gonna go to the next area, which is probably. Let me see here. The next area is probably gonna be somewhere. Just draw something like this real quick. I'm just curious to see how this. Yeah, it's gonna go somewhere up to 300. That's where it's gonna head. Getting aggressive buys here. 2 straight back-to-back aggressive buys.
Oh wow, looking good.
Yeah, I already knew this was gonna happen just by the value of the high and the point of control, and then you can see the aggressive buying and the cumulative delta all accumulating together. I'm up 790. I can put my stop to break even now, and then I can protect myself below this 345. I'll lock in 345 out of this if it ends up coming all the way back. We're at the value high again, so we're gonna have to close above. Once we close above this is gonna start probably 255.7. Once you close 255.75 is where we're gonna get the acceleration of buyers. All the way up to like 285 to 300 is where the price is gonna go before we have any sort of prior resistance. If we get that nice squeeze above the high. But they need to break above this value area high. This is where the resistance is. This is where sellers are going to sell in this compression zone. Ooh. Come on, buyers. We're pushing. Foot on the gas. Foot on the gas. Yeah, the buyers are winning this battle for sure. You can the CVD was just so telling. We kept on making new lows on the CVD, but we're not making new lows on the price chart. And then you look at the volume profile where the value high point of control. We tested, tried to break the value low, retested, bounced off of it. Tried to take out the value area high, couldn't, came back down to the POC, gained more steam, and then we finally I seen an aggressive sell bubble right at 192.50, a small one, but it got instantly absorbed. And that's when the CVD changed, and that's when I was like, all right, that's where I'm going to take a position.
Oh, okay.
So that's kind of was my breakdown of how I read
Dry
it here.
section.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just with the volume bubbles and the profile. And then there's a POC
So
right
here,
over here at the reason why I think it's going to go to. If I was doing that, okay, that's weird. I think it's going to go all the way up to 338.
right around two, it's a huge delta on 225, right around there. Of course, there's huge bubbles there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, 235 you're talking about, right?
225, yeah.
Yeah, that's where it's going to head.
225.50, right around there.
I think you won't if it comes up to here this POC, because we're going from one zone to the next. It's going to target that POC, that next where the volume is, which is going to be somewhere at 337.
Yeah.
And that's if buyers continue. If this gets strong above this high, we need to see a nice strong close above like 256 with just instant buy bubbles with CBD moving in the direction. Okay, I locked in 700 no matter, or 645 no matter what. All right, come on. I'm already seeing buying bubbles here at the top of the. This is good. This is where the squeeze is going to happen. You're going to see the explosion here. Come on. Yep, here we go. And the big resistance area that's going to be actually a bounce off is going to be 315 from the sell side once we get up there. If we get up there. Failed auction up here from the buyers. You had a buy bubble and a smaller sell bubble, and the sell bubble so far has had followed through. Still time left though. Still hasn't closed in any direction, so we're looking at probably
I can hear you. What are you talking about?
and here it goes.
Dr. Paul. He basically had another meeting with this guy from Realty because I asked if Doctor, I said, once you have the guy this structure, I'm saying offer, but what the deal would look like, what we were looking for in the deal. And so he said he's going to put it all together. So we have a document with a realtor showing what the deal would look like, taking consideration their half cash and our half being in apartments,
So you have sellers being absorbed here. They're trying. Buyers keep pushing here. Got a nice absorption candle here. And this is where sellers were active last, so you could see it bounce off the value area high. And then a sell off possibly. If it continues down. Come on, let's see something here. There we go. Buyers are retaining control here. You gotta see them close above this area. There's still sellers here. But you can see sellers absorbed, bounced. And cumulative delta is growing on this candle, so this could be a good candle. This might explode up.
You know,
Well, that's where we all.
Look back at that. Okay, good trade there. Look, that was a big aggressive buy, but it failed. Wow. And I'm short.
Agree with them. We're not going to give anything to the lawyer, period. At this
Oh, come on. Oh. Damn. Bummer. Yeah, I should have waited for that long. Fuck. Very strong. Yep. Ah, shit. This is where it's gonna fucking miss this. Wasn't the best entry, but I'll take it. You back on that?
Yeah, I'm back on. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just didn't want your personal stuff.
No, no, yeah. Yeah.
I just muted you. That's fine. I'm long.
I knew
this is gonna fucking break.
if it broke 6150, it would go.
Just look at the CBD. This is not a false breakout.
Okay, yeah. It's backing up. The volume is backing it up.
Yeah, the volume's backing it up. I think we're
Yeah.
going to 325, honestly, from here to push to 325.
Okay. Yeah.
Possibly even. He's got to keep on breaking above auction, 84, and then go even higher.
So what was the entry? It was still two.
It was not that
two-
great. I got out of the other one with a small win, like
Oh, okay.
$600 win, and then I took a long here right at 64.
Oh,
65.
okay. Yeah, that's the breakout. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
breakout. Yeah. This is going to
Yeah.
be, I only had a $270 risk right here because it's right below
Yeah.
the aggressive. Oh, wow. Look at this. Jeez. Now I can start trailing.
And this is where people, a lot of times, they hate going in on these breakouts.
Yeah, everything's back in it, and it's actually an easy trade.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because it doesn't really move against you very much.
Yeah.
Either you're wrong quick with a small stop loss, or this is just going to keep. I mean, look at this. This is just buying bubble after buying bubble after buying bubble.
Oh, yeah.
I'll send you a picture right
I
now.
don't see those, but I see a lot of the blue delta. I gotta change my earpiece.
Yes. Good. Auction here. Yeah, that it's just a classic example of a breakout right here. You're having sellers really trying to hit this right here.
Oh wow, yeah. There's a lot of bubbles there.
The CVD delta right now is going down, but buyers are trying to hold. I think 325 is where we're going to go. That volume node. Before. Yeah, it'll be somewhere right around. Yeah, 325. If it breaks below this, I can protect myself below that buy bubble, which will be, yeah. $230. Yeah, I think we're going to go all the way up to like 330, 335, honestly. The only thing is that the sellers are really hitting it up here. I'm getting sub bubbles and the CVD is going down.
Yeah.
Which means there's a lot of pressure on those above here for buyers.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. But sellers are not finding any. They haven't succeeded with any of their bubbles, and they've had quite a bit. So
Mhm.
they're not winning the battle yet. Buyers are definitely in control here. There they go. They're going to close above that. I can move my stop below the last failed sell, which would be. I can guarantee myself $255. It has to close back above that though. Back above 293, 294, in order for you to move it down there again. Ooh, that was,
wow.
Jeez. Finally piled on enough weight. Excuse me. to right here. And I broke even. Alrighty. Not too shabby. So now there's actually one other area that I will want to go along. It's going to be somewhere right around 220.
Oh wow, that's a little back there.
Yeah, 220 will be the area that I'll take along for sure. If there's a buy bubble there, oh, I will, or seller absorption. Oh, excuse me. I'll send you this photo right here. This is this shows the yellow line that I'm looking at, the value area high, and then it shows where we rejected off from that previous swing, point of control.
Okay, the previous. Okay.
Yeah, you can see where that POC, that purple line is on the left side.
Mhm.
And that's actually the VWAP for that swing, which was 295.25, which is like right at the top.
Oh yeah, that's where they're hiding.
Yeah, sellers, they've definitely been strong. I'm gonna grab some water. Oh. Damn. I think we're just gonna break out again. So they got. long one more time.
You go long again?
Mm-hmm. And I'm probably gonna stop quick. Unless this thing blows up, which it should. This is more of a riskier trade, but I gotta stop. Damn. All right. Now looks like sellers are taking control right here because they got more sell levels down here, but
What was that?
we got sell levels are starting to follow through now, so sellers are taking back control. We'll see what happens when they get to this 220 area, and then the last point will be 191. If they break through both of those, then sells are going to be a lot better off. All right, I'm short up here a little bit. I just took a short 260.75. Wow. Jesus. Wow. That was a nice short so far. Game it in?
What was the entry?
It was 260. Exit right at the value area high. Because we've broken structure from the compression zone. I'm not trying to sit around and wait for this to figure out what's going to happen. It's not even giving me out earlier. Damn. shit, spam calls. So annoying. There's a failed subbable here. Let's close back below 35. There we go. Yep, continue. Oh. Still in it.
Or that?
Still in it.
Mhm.
Just teeter-tottering right here. Come on. Excuse me. There we go. We'll see the break of this bubble. Once we break this bubble, it's just going to get aggressive again. Probably come onto the value area high, and then I'll exit there because we're making higher highs in lower time frame. Come on. Wow. Broke me even. That was aggressive.
Yeah, it's just this could easily go back up, but I don't know. This looks like a head and shoulders to me. If you look at the whole day, including the overnight.
Now it's
You know, this shoulder is a little higher than the other one.
It's my entry, and back down we go. Fuck.
Yep. Took you out and I was going back down.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh, I didn't hit any of my targets. And there it goes. Now it's going to hit my target. Oh. Oh. buying Delta keeps going up, though. That's weird. Oh, excuse me. Look at the CVD, it's going up. It's climbing.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Interesting. I want to see the 220 here. I want to see what happens there. How long does it take for the Joshua Tree coffee to get there usually? Pretty quick, right?
What that?
For Joshua Tree coffee?
How long it takes to get the coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, about 3 days normally.
Okay.
When do you order it?
Here, I got the tracking number. It's estimated delivery this Friday.
Still looking for his card.
What was that?
Stefan is still looking for his card.
Let me ask him. Are you still looking for your
Yeah, I haven't received it
card,
yet.
Stefano?
It's been like 2-3 weeks, a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks now. Oh, sorry. I'm not near my mic, but yeah, I'm looking for my card.
Okay.
Yeah, I still haven't received it.
You haven't found it yet. Did you ask Sharissa what she did with your mail? She's the one who's been sorting it, I think.
She probably would have left it up there, gave it to me. But she didn't give me anything yet.
I was looking here because if she sorted everything.
What happened?
We gotta go through that.
Yeah.
We got a bunch more.
Yep.
You know, I'm just flipping through these. What do they expect that? Let's see anything.
Yeah, I went through all. It looks like it's all our
Okay.
mail. Yeah.
I'll check the cars. I just,
Oh yeah, the car.
someone could have picked it up or not.
Yeah.
Gone through it, you know. Cars.
Can't want to tell this keeps growing. Continuing to grow. Is it dead?
Yeah,
Oh. I'm long.
yeah. They try to sell it.
Yeah, look at the CBD now. Oh, pumping.
Oh yeah, it keeps going up.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna start at 337. Coffee. Alright, I'm gonna make coffee real quick. Let me know. My position 6450.
6450. Okay.
Let me know if we touch the high. I'm just gonna make coffee. I'm back. Damn. Hold back a little bit.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So it's 6350. Said 6450.
Yeah, right here. That's where I entered. Technically, right here.
Oh yeah, it's right touching it.
Yeah. Our risk is only $200, right below the sub, so 195 to be exact. Boom, boom. Stop me out. Damn it. Okay. I'm negative.
Oh wow, look at this. Go now. Oh my gosh. 350. Oh my gosh.
Oh, fuck. What happened?
I just took off.
What the fuck? It stopped me out barely.
Was that?
It stopped me out barely.
Uh,
Fucking hell.
and something triggered this. I don't know what.
Yep, something. Fuck. That sucks. Fuck. Fuck me. That's gay. That's super gay. What's the news? Something's happening.
Yeah, something.
Fuck. Damn it.